Another piece of equipment that can be sometimes very useful when sharpening your turning tools is a grinder like this. This is a slow-speed wet grinder. By wet grinder, I mean when it's turned on, this grinding wheel is constantly rotating in a bath of water. Now, the reason you would want the water wheel bath is it operates to keep the tool steel from overheating and also to keep the particles that are coming off the tool steel away. So you're pulling the particles away from your tool. Now, if I were going to regrind or reshape a tool, I wouldn't want to use this wet grinder because I would be here forever. But if I wanted to just put a fresh edge on a tool before I went back to turning, using the wet grinder would be an option for me.